4. You can divide 4. How many times? 29. 7 times. If it is 3, 43 into 3, only you will be 9. But 43 into 3, 23, 340 is 120 and all. Next option is 49. 47. Next option is 47. You get here 9. There is possibility. 4 into 8, 4, 32. So 47, 7 here, 7 here. 329. But this one is the square root. Is it okay? Given expression is first one is hello.
Sir,
Tell me. Tell me, who is it?
game late, sir.
Okay.
Given expression. This one 27. This has become 27. Root of 79. So if you know root of 79, you cannot find out 72 by 9 directly because 72.9 means 729 by 10. We know square root of 10. That will be equal to root of 729 root of 10. Root of 10 is not a perfect square. So you cannot find out directly this one. But this method is applicable for 72.9. The same position you have to do 72.9 square root. Starting from this point, once point up to 72. 8 8 is 64. 8 point here, 9. That is 16. No, two values. 890. Zero from 160 and add. 5 times will be 90. 5 times will be 900. 800 add. So 5 is a possibility. Let us find out what is 165 into 5. 825. Balance is not much. So it is possible. The only balance is 65. With point here. Remember. 825. 65. Again 2 zeros. This is 17. 170. Double of this. If it is 1, 1700. So 3 times 5000 added. 6 times will be 6000 plus 400 and add. So it may exceed. 5000 is a possibility. No. 3 is a possibility and we will get 5000 added. 3, 9, 391 only. So 8.5 up to this is less than even 1. Don't look at the don't compare here, but stop at the second decimal place 8.53. So let us see what happens. Of course, this is approximation, it's not perfect square. 8.53 is the answer here. Approximately to two decimal values. Next thing is square root of 7.29. That will be 729 by 100. Is it not? Square root of 7.29 means square root of 729 by square root of 100. That will be square root of 729 like here 27. Square root of 100 is 10. Answer will be 2.7. For this we cannot get directly, but for this, if it is the denominator is 100, there is possibility. Easy way of getting square root. 2.7. Add 27, 8.53, 2.7. 0, 0, don't forget basis 3, 12, 1, 3, 11, 17, 38.3. Answer is option is there, 38.3. There are nearby answers. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 2. We have to verify whether it is applicable or not. But here, other options are 33, 45, 40. So 38.23. Up to two decimal values is okay with the answers. The given answers, you can choose this option. Option. Next question. 89. What is the positive square root of? What is the positive square root of? $89. 90 plus 4 root 21. What is the positive square root of this one? Now, done some examples like this. This may be some expanded. Here, there is possibility applying a square plus b square plus 2a will be a plus b whole square. Here will be this one. Here means 2 into 2 root 21 is here. Root 21 is what are the possibilities? 7 into 3. Root 7 into root 3. Root 7 into root 3. Okay. So if it is root 7 to root 3 multiplied by 2, we will not get 4 here. So somewhere you have to take 2 here and here. Root 7 and 2 root 3 are 2 into 2 root 7 and root 3. Then we have to look at this one. What are the possibilities? If it is 7 square, 2 7 square of course 7, 2 3 square of course 3. Then we will not get here multiplied by 2. If you split like this, the one possibility is 7 plus 12 is a possibility. Why? 7 square root 7 square is 7, and this one 2 into this one and this one 2 3 is a possibility, of course. Then b square will be 3. 2 3 square will be 3. 2 into 3 is 2 into root 2ab. 2 into this one is 2 root 3 square. 2 root 3. 2 root 3 square will be 12. This will be this term. This will be b square. So b square term plus a square term will be 19. So we have to split 19 to 19 as 7 plus 12 plus 2 root 7, 2 root 3. 2 root 3. You can understand this one, the problem is solved. Because root 7 whole square, square root of 1 square root of, especially square root, finding out square root. Root 7 square plus 2 root 3 square. 2 root 3 square is 12. 2 square 4, 4 into 3 12. Plus this one, keep it here, no problem. 2 into 2 into root 7 to root 3. 4 root 21. 2 root 7, 7 is one term, root 7 is one term. 2 root 3 is, entire 2 root 3 is another term. Because this is here, b, 2 root 3 whole square we have written. So, then, this is the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. That will be a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square model. That will be root 7 plus 2 root 3 whole square. Whole square. And again square root is there here. So square root and square cancels. Answer will be root 7 plus root 3. That is the answer. One of the options is this one. This is actually positive. This is actually positive square root. Minus square root is also possibility. Minus of root 7 plus 2 root 3 is also possibility. Here square of this will also be same answer, but question is what is the positive square root of? Is asking what positive square root. So we need not worry about the negative sign. Answer choice is also positive. This one. The negative answer you should have selected. Next question. Let us 90. That x is equal to sixth root of 27 minus root of 6 3 by 4 3 by 4 and y is equal to root of 45 plus root of 605 plus root of 245 by root of 80 root of 125. Find x square plus y square. That is the question. You have to simplify x and simplify y. Finally, you give the answer for x square plus y square. Okay. Next. Here, 3 is 6 is 2 into 3. 27 is already 3 cube. Better keep, if you write x is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6 root of 27 minus root of this one will be 27 by 4. I have told you cube root of 27. How to find out cube root of 27 is 3 cube. 27 is 3 cube. Cube root of 3 cube means answer will be 3 only. In other words, the method is you can take 3 inside and already 3 is there. This 3 will be into 1 by 3 there. 3 to the power of 1. That's all. That is 3. Okay. So likewise, don't take 2 inside. Take 3 inside. 2 is not necessary, of course. First write 2. Then 27 is 3 cube. 27 is 3 cube into 1 by 3. Simply that will be 3 only. Root of 3. Here, what about this one? Minus 27 is 9. 27 is 9 into 3. There is square root for 9. There is no root for 3. So, if you want root of 27, that will be root of 9 into root of 3. That will be 3 root 3. That will be 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 by root of 4 denominator 2. Here what happens? 2 is not necessary now. Square root of means square root of root of. Whether we keep 2 or not, it's a square root. It's representation of square root. But writing square root like this, but 2 is always there. So we don't want to. Answer is 3. Answer is root of 3. Root will be there, root of 3. Minus root 3 by 2. Here, further simplification, LCM 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3, 1 time 3 root 3, minus 2 root 3, 2a minus 3a minus a, minus 1 root 3. 1 is not necessary, minus root 3 by 2. That is the value of x, and let us find out the value of y. Find out the value of y. Y is equal to this one. Example this 45. 45 is 9 into 5. I am skipping some steps. 45 is 9 into 5. Full square root of 9 is 3. So 3 root, this becomes 3 root 5. This becomes 3 root 5. Okay. 3 root 5 plus 605. What happens? So expect root 5 always. For the other terms also you expect root 5. So divide by 5. What happens? 605 divided by 5. That will be 121. 121 into 5. 121 square root is 11. So 11 root 5. That's all. 6 root of 605. 245. Divide 245 by 5. 5. 49. So 49 square root is 7. 7 root 5. You expect root 5. Problem will be given like that only. By root 80. Again expect root 5. Divide by 8. Divide by 5. 80 by 5. 16. 16 root is 4. 4 root 5. Plus divide by 5 here. 25. 25 root is 5. 5 root 5. Okay. You see x is minus 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Keep it here. So entire all terms have 5, root 5. You can cancel directly root 5. Because root 5 is common in the numerator, root 5 is common in the denominator. What happens? 3 plus 1, 11, 14, 7, 21 by 9. That will be 7 by 3. This is y. X square plus y square by 1. Minus root 3 by 2 whole square. Plus 7 by 3 whole square. This will be minus goes. Minus square. 3 by 4. 2 square. 49 by 9. 36 LCM. 9 into 3, 27 plus 4 into 49. 196. 223 by 36. One of the sizes. That is answer. Next question. The sum of 18 consecutive natural numbers is a perfect square. What is the smallest possible value of this sum? natural numbers 1, 2, 3. 18 consecutive natural numbers. Not natural numbers means may not start from 1, 2. So starting from 5, 5, 6, 7. I have taken. These are also natural numbers. Starting part is not given here. Some 18 numbers are taken from anywhere in the middle. But suppose like that, not told that it is from 1. Let us take it as starting from 1, from x. First number is x. What happens? Next number will be x plus 1, x plus 2, so on. 18 numbers. What will be the 18th number? First number is x. Second number is with 1. 18th number will be with 17. X plus 17 will be the 18th number. Those are 18 numbers. He is asking sum, total of all these. And that too, there may be choices for x. There may not be one choice. So what he is asking, smallest possible value of sum. So let us see at the end how to combine all these. X plus 1 plus x plus 2, so on, plus x plus 17. So x is common in all the terms. X common means x plus x. All 18 x's are there. 18x plus 18 x's are there. Plus 1 plus 2 plus up to 17. Up to 17. This to be added to 18x. Is it not? Then 1 to 17, how do we add? By ordinary addition also we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What happens? 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 2, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 153. There is another method. Sum of n natural numbers. One plus sum of n natural numbers. Formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Also there. Starting number may not be 1. Here also, for this one, n is 17. 17 numbers only. Here of course 18. Here only 17. 17 into 17 plus 1, 18 by 2, 9 times. Here is this is 150. Formula also applies. Simple addition also we can do. Whatever it may be, we'll get 18x plus 153 the sum. What are the possible values of x? X is natural number, starting point, starting number will be 1 only. Choices of x are, suppose that is the x is a natural number somewhere. Let us assume that it is started from 1 only, because he is asking also smallest number. So smallest means with 1 only we can get the smallest number. If x is 1, that will be the actually the smallest. Question is, the sum of 8 is consecutive natural number C is a perfect square, and that should be a perfect square. This should be a perfect square. Suppose case 1, x is 1. Verify whether it is perfect square or not. 18 into 1 is 1 plus 153. What happens? Okay. 171. 171 is not a perfect square. 13 square is 169. 14 square is 186. So it's now 171 is not a perfect square. X is equal to what happens? 18 into 2 plus 153. 153 plus 36. 189. 189 is also not a perfect square. Between 169 and 196, there is no perfect square number. X is 3. 18 into 3 plus 153. 153 plus 54. 207. After 14, 15. 15 square is 225. 207 is not useful. X is 4. 18 into 4 plus 153 is equal to 153 plus 72. 225. 225 is perfect square. So, case when x is equal to 4, we have got 225, and that is a perfect square. That is a perfect square. What is the smallest possible value of the sum? This sum. Automatically, 225 is the smallest one. Afterwards, there may be other numbers also. You cannot get less than 225, a perfect square, satisfying this condition. So, answer is 225. Next question. This question is 99. What I have written here is 99. Completed. Next question is 102. Which is the smallest number to be added to 710 so that sum is a perfect square? One or two? You have to remember certain cubes also. I'll give you on this occasion. What are the cubes? One cube. One. Two cube. 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 cube. 2, 3 into 3 into 3. 27. 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 64 into 4. 256 64 into 4. 16 into 4. 64 only. 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 125. 6 cube will be 216. You work out yourself. 7 cube will be 7 to 7 to 7. 343. Try to remember this. 8 cube is 8 into 8 into 8. 512. 9 cube is 9 into 9 into 9. 729. 125, 216, 343, 512, 729. 10 cube, of course, is 1000. 10 into 10 into 10. But remember this up to 9 at least. Which is the smallest number to be added to 710? Some number must be added to 710. Some smallest number, small numbers should be added so that it becomes a perfect cube. 710 is nearer to this one. It is in between here, but very near to 729. What is the difference between 710 and 729? 19. What is the difference between 710 and 512? Almost 200. So nearer to 729 only. Smallest number to be added. Of course, it is subtracted. Some numbers should be subtracted from 710 to get 512. But we are adding. He wants some number to be added. So 19 can be added. 19 can be added to this one to give 729. And smallest number to be added. Answer is 19 only. And this becomes a perfect cube of 9. That is the answer. Next question. 105. How many perfect squares lie between 120 and 300? We want some perfect square also. Let us write down some perfect square also. One square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square of course 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 56, 17 square 389, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400. Remember after 20 squares. Squares of 20, numbers up to 20. Question is, how many perfect squares lie between 120 and 300? Perfect square numbers. These are all perfect square numbers. 1, 4, 9, all that. Up to 400. They will be called perfect square numbers. Between 200, 120 and 120. So, more than 100. From 121 onwards, up to 300 only. Here only. 324 is larger. So, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. 7. Perfect squares lie between this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 perfect square lie between 120 and 300. That is the answer. 7 only. Answer is 7. Next question. One or six. A man born in the first half of the 19th century was X years old in the year X square. He was born in choices. He was born in first half of 19th century means what are the years first half of 19th century? 1800, between 1800 and 1850 in the first half of 18th century. 19th century. 19th century first half means 1800 1850. He was born between this one. Between 1800 and 1850 he was born. He was X years old in the year X square. If he has born in 1850, what is the square root? We have to find out. Some 40 square is 1600 and all that, 45, 46 something. So that number should be, if I obtain the square of that, it should tally with the birth year. His age at a particular year should be the square of that year. What are the possibilities? 40 square is 1600. No use. Next possibility is, what about 50 square? 2500. Between up to 8050 only we have to work out. So no possibility. Next one after 40. 1, 41, 41 square. Now 10, 41 square and all that. 41, 41, 41, 4, 164, 1681. 41 square is 1681. No. 42. 1764. 43 is 1764 is less than 800. 43 square. 1849. 49 is a possibility, and 43 is the square root. So that in the year 1849, his age will be 43. This is x and this is x square. His age should be square root of the year. In the year 1849, he was 43 years old. But question is, he was born in what is the birth year? 1849 minus 43. Birth year is 1809. That is the answer. Not this. This is not the answer. This is the answer. 1809. Sorry. 1806 is the answer. Next question. 108. For what value of n? 270 n. For what value of n? 270 n will be a perfect square where 270n is a 4-digit number. So there is a number, there is a digit here in the place of n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 9. Then value n has values from 1 to 9. What is the choice for n to have a perfect square? To become a perfect square. 2701 should be a perfect square. Possibilities are 2701, one possibility. See, for one there is square root, of course. There is a possibility. But let us see how much will be the square root. What is 50 square? 50 square, 50 into 50, 2500. 60 into 60, 3600. This is no possibility. Up to 2709 only. Okay. Between. So start from 50 and 51. 50. 51. 2601. No. 52. 100. 2704. No. 2700 is a possibility. 2704 is a possibility. 2704 is in between this one. So value for if n value is 4, it becomes a perfect square. That is enough. No more, you don't have to work out further. If it is taken as 5, that will definitely be more and more. 53 and 53, the next 53. There is a possibility. Of course, 9 will be there. But what is the value? 9, 9, 15, 1, 26. 2809. No use. Because 800 and order. We want 2700 order. So this is the only choice. Answer is 4. And n value is 4. Next question. Is over. Next question is quantum. Quantum. What is the least number that can be multiplied to 69,120 to make it a perfect cube? Perfect cube. $69,120 should be made a perfect cube. And what is the least number that can be multiplied to this one? By multiplying with a small number, this should become a cube. What are the cubes of this one? For cubes, for finding out cubes, cube roots, we have to verify by factorization method only. I want to do like this. See, the methods in R.S. Agarwal may be different somewhere. మీరు R.S. Agarwalలో కొన్ని క్లియర్గా ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్లో స్టెప్స్ జంప్ చేస్తారు. అటువంటిప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా నేను క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. సో మీ బుక్ ఒకటి చదవాలనుకుంటే అది టఫ్ గా ఉంటుంది. కొన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్ అర్థం కావు, కొన్ని ఎక్సర్సైజ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్స్ యూ మే నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ సో ఈజీలీ. 69,120 I want to factorize like this. Divide by 5, what happens? We'll get 13,824. 5 is one factor. And then 5 1 jar 19, 5 3 jar 15 4 41, 5 8 jar 1 2 12, 5 2 jar 10 20, 5 4 jar 13,824. I want to divide by 8 because divisibility roots for 8, the last 3 digits, 824 here is divisible by 8, then the entire number will be divisible by 8. 824, can it be, is it divisible by 8? Yes, one time, 3 times, 103. So definitely 13,824 will be divisible by 8. One time 558, 7 times 56, 22, 2 times 16, 6, 64, 88, 17, 28. Again 72, what are the factors of 728? These are not prime factors, of course. Let us see. It is divisible by 8. It is divisible by 8 with prime factors means 2 into 2 into 2, it will be 8 only. So you can decide later. 725. Is it again divisible by 8? Is even number, divisible by last number is divisible by 4. Let us check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. So 728. Yes. We divide by 8. Last 4 digits. Divisible by 8. 9 times and 91. Divisible by 8 and the answer will be 728 will be divisible by 8. But what about 1728? Is divisible by, have to divide. 8 2 is 16. 1, 2, 12. 8 1 is 8, 4, 48. 8 6 is 216 is the question. Again, what happens with 216? Is it divisible by 8? You see, 3 digits. Directly you can try, of course. 8 is 16, 556, 87. Divisible. 27. 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. 27 is 3 into 3. Now I can write here 5 into 8 cube into 27 is 3 cube. We want cube roots. First is should become a perfect cube. Multiplication by some number we will decide finally. So this is cube, this is cube. If this is also a cube, you can say the cube root. You can find out the cube root. Then tell directly the cube root value. So this should be cube, this should become 5 cube. Then what will be 5 into 8 into 3 will be the cube root. The whole number will be perfect cube. So how to make this 5 cube? Multiplied by 5 square. This is the multiplication factor. This is the multiplication factor. The question is, what is the least number? Below this 5 square you cannot do. We cannot make this one perfect cube. So this becomes 5 cube, 8 cube, They are multiplying. He's asking what should be multiplied with. This one is the perfect cube. Perfect cube, that is 5 into 8 into 3 perfect cube. That means 120. 120 cube will be this one. 120 cube will be this one. You can cross check. So this is the factor to be multiplied with this number to become a. Of course, this is not. This should be multiplied by 5 square. Multiplied by 25 only, not directly. If it is multiplied by 25, then only this becomes 120 cube. So answer is 5 square, 25. Multiplied by 25, so as to make it a perfect cube. That is the answer. Answer is 25. Next question, it is the last question. Square roots chapter. We are going to complete. 124. R is a positive number. It is multiplied by 8 and then squared. The square is now divided by 4 and the square root is taken. The result of the square root is q. What is the value of q? Not any complicated, simple. R is a number, positive number. It is multiplied by 8. R is multiplied by 8. 8. And squared. The square is now divided by 4. Divided by 4. And the square root is taken. Square root is taken. That is q. What is the value of? What is the value of q? Result of square root is q. The result of square root is q. The result of this one is q. Then what is this? You can get 8 is 64 r square by 4 square root of all numbers. Square root of 64 square root of r square square root of 68 r by 4. Here 4. Here 4 root 4. Here only 2 1. This one 4 times. Answer is 4r. Completed square roots and cube roots chapter. Any questions from square roots and cube roots chapter? Next we have to go to average chapter on average. That is over. Tomorrow we'll start average. A few questions I have already given. I may have to give some more questions. Any questions? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. You will leave. I don't leave.